What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Bray. I'm back once again with another video. This video will be me explaining to you or showing you guys how to replace a blown fuse. So first off, I want to go ahead and tell you guys what the problem is. So basically my outlet, excuse the dirty carpet, but basically my outlet that I use to play my music on is not working at all. It's not working at all, see? Because usually I should be able to. It should turn right on, but it's not turning on at all. So I discovered that it was a blown, and I threw away the blown fuse, but I bought a new set of fuses. So I'll be showing you guys. I'll also let you know which fuse number it is if you have a Honda Accord 2005, as well as the tools you need to replace the fuse. So stay tuned. Okay, so before my phone died and before it starts to rain, I'm gonna hop straight into the video, man, because I know some of these videos, people just be talking so much, take so long to get to the point, so I'm getting straight to the point. So if you got a Honda Accord and you don't have the fuse removal tool, what you can do is go in the hood, go in the fuse box, loosen the fuse box, and it's a tool placed right there, that white thing. So with a Honda Accord 2005, what you want to do is locate the interior fuse box, which is located down below by the brake, or this little area right here. And to loosen this, well, to take this off, all you do is just put your finger in and just pull it out like that, and it come right out. Okay, so the fuse that I'm trying to replace is this one right here, FRACC socket, and it's a 15A. That is the fuse that I'm trying to replace. What I'm about to replace. These are the fuses that I bought. I bought the ones with a variety just in case others are blown, but I'll put a picture in the video to show you what a blown fuse looks like. So yeah, man, y'all gotta disregard how dirty this carpet is. You can clearly see I need new carpet. But so this is the fuse that I'm going to replace, which is the 15, and I'm gonna replace it. Okay, try to get it to where y'all can see as well. I'm trying to see if I can do it like this. And basically I'm gonna place it in there. So let's see. And I replaced it. Now it's time to see if it's going to work. All right, let's see. Works like new. We back in action, baby. So you guys saw it. That's basically how it, oh, I forgot to show y'all one more thing. Put it back on there, you just slide it back on there. Literally how you took it off. So you just slide it back on, literally how you took it off. You clip right in. Well, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to go and look at some of my older how-to videos. I will be posting videos often, so be sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment down below. Let me know what type of other videos you would like me to post. So that's it. Y'all have a nice day.